I have a question for you guys. Okay, I have a question for you guys, which I'm gonna write down. I want to write it down. So very soon you'll be seeing my screen. Okay, cool. Now my question is this. Okay, what characteristics or features? Okay, what characteristics or features must? Well, I'm gonna make the must big. Must be present in your ideal business. All right. So, what are the characteristics or features that must be present in your ideal business? Now, let me just share something really quick. What is a characteristic in a business and what is not a characteristic? Now, for example, some of you may like to use terms like enthusiasm, innovation, passion, hardworking. Now, that is not the characteristic of the business. When we talk about business, it's the vehicle, right? The vehicle. We're talking about the business. We're not talking about the person. Okay? So the person must be obviously hardworking, passionate, hardworking. So that's all the characteristic of the business owner. That's the characteristic of you. But let me talk about the business itself. So let's just throw a few examples. It could be things like, I think somebody actually said in the chat box already, relevant, profitable, no stocks. So those are characteristics of business. Okay? So what I'm going to do now, you guys got the question, right? Pretty simple question, very straightforward. Now what we're going to do now is this. I'm going to create a new page and I'm going to ask you guys to contribute now all in one word. So for example, let's say you say make a lot of money. Just make it, for example, profitable. I want you to use one word, characteristics or features that must be in your business for you to call it your ideal business. Your ideal business. Okay, guys? So guys, take the next 30 seconds. Start putting it in the chat. I'm gonna read all your things. I'm gonna write down one by one. Okay, let me write down. See if I can write as fast as you guys. So I see the first one is sustainable. I see no stocks. Okay, keep it coming, guys. I'm just gonna put it in. Okay, exponential. Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. Yes. All right, scalable. All right. What else? Keep it coming. I see time freedom. You want a business to give you a lot more time, because have you seen business owners? They make a lot of money, but they are stuck in the office most of the time. They don't even get to see their family, kids. They don't even get to work out and take care of their health. They're in such bad shape, but they have a lot of money. What is the point, right? I see ethical. I see some people use the word ethical. Guys, keep it coming. Keep it coming. Long term, obviously. Guys, do you want a business that you do for 1-2 years and then stop and then create a new one, or you want a long-term one? Obviously, you want long-term. You don't want to be creating a new business every time. Okay, I see from Ray, we have global as well. Because your business, do you want it just to be in Malaysia, in India, or you want it to be global? Global is awesome. Okay, now let me just tell you this. These characteristics does not need to be related to Kangen. All right, these are just a business. What do you want to see in a business? Okay, what else do we have? Guys, keep it coming. Okay, I see profitable. That's one of the first ones. Profitable. Okay, no, I would say not no investment. How about we use low investment? Okay, low investment as a business. Keep it coming, guys. I think I have room for about 4 to 5 more. 4 to 5 more. What else? Global business. We have that already. We have that. We have, okay, legal. I see the word legal. Okay, we have to have a legal business. What else? Quality. Let's talk about quality of your product or services. Let me just put there. Amazing. Product. Okay, what else do we have? I think I have a few more. Thomas is coming very near to me. I don't know what he wants.
Well, I want to say something. Okay, so we have traditional business before. I've shut down traditional business before. No overheads.
No overheads.
Low overheads.
Low overheads. Guys, do you want to pay high overheads or low overheads?
To make all that money and just pay it away to somebody else?
Yep.
Of course not.
Because we call it, right, when you have very high overheads, we call it doing it for the landlord. You're doing business for your landlord.
For your
You're
staff.
doing business for your staff. You're doing business for your electricity bill. Okay.
Not fun.
Okay, I think I got room for, let's say, 2 more. Let's see what you guys have here. Okay, I see. Okay. I see a lot. Okay. Guys, enough already because I cannot scroll so fast. Thank you so much for your contribution.
I go on.
Yes.
Okay. Fun.
Okay, guys.
Must be fun.
Guys, must your business give you joy in life or you want a dull business? Every day go to office, drive, jam. After that also no fun. Okay, so I'm just gonna put last 2 enough already. So 14, let's put there no headache, which is what? Who said no headache? Sonia Sandu. And the last one we put there fun. Okay, my page is already full. Okay, so guys, what we're gonna do now is this. I'm gonna ask you guys a question.
Not done yet.
What's that? I got no more space.
Your writing is too big.
I got no more space.
Very important.
Sam wants to add something.
The business must be fulfilling.
Fulfilling. Okay, let me just make it a 10.5.
Do it in the green color.
Okay, let me use different color. This one Sam wants to specially add in. Okay, I do in green color. Fulfilling. In
Right.
between.
One more.
Okay, wait. Okay, one more only.
Alright. We must be in a business which adds massive value, adds
Value to the customer. Let me do 11.5. PH 11.5. Okay. Let me do green color. Add value. Okay, small one. Okay. Here. Okay. So complete, Sam. Anything more? Okay, look, guys. What we're gonna do now is this. All right. I'm gonna ask you a question. Now you can say yes or say no. It's up to you. But now I want to bring you back to the Kangen world. I'm gonna ask you guys a question, and you can either say yes or you either can say no. Because I got all these things from you guys. I'm gonna ask you a simple question like, is Enagic business sustainable? And all you have to do is to say yes or you can say no. Okay? Now to do this exercise, you don't put it in the chat box, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get our team here to unmute everybody and we do it together. Shall we do that?
Yeah.
Scalable. Can you scale? Time, freedom. Time.
Yes.
Is it a long-term business? Is it a global business? Is it profitable? Investment? Is it fulfilling? Legal? Customer, the Kangen machine. Amazing. The SD501. Lastly, Enagic business.
Yes.
Okay.
It is.
I think I need about
Such a fun.
hear my voice. Thank you. So thank you so much, guys, for your participation.
Hasn't don't go yet.
And don't go yet, guys. Don't go yet. We're not done yet. But what I want to say is this: in Magic business, okay. So, just take action. This is not something new. It has been proven. Is whether you want to take action or not.